Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to see how to fix Discord stuck on checking for updates forever in Windows 11, 10, 8 and 7. Let's fix it guys. Method 1, you just need to go to search menu and type ncpa.cpl. Click on open the control panel item. You just need to right click on your internet connection. In my case I am using Ethernet and select properties. Select Internet Protocol version 4 and select properties. You just need to select use the following DNS server addresses and type here 8888. In alternative DNS server type 8844. Click on OK. And now just to close stuff here and check if the problem solved or not. If not, method 2, you just need to right click on the Discord and select properties. Select compatibility tab and check mark run this program in compatibility mode for. Click on this drop down and select Windows 7 and check mark run this program as an administrator and select apply and OK for save changes. Now you can open the Discord and check if the problem solved or not. If not, method 3, you just need to go to search menu and type store. Click on open the Microsoft Store. In search, you just need to search for hotspot shield VPN. Select the hotspot shield VPN Wi-Fi proxy. Select the install option and install it. After getting installed done, you just need to open the VPN. After opening the VPN, you just need to go back and select connect to the VPN. After connecting to the VPN, you can open the Discord and check if the problem solved or not. I hope one of these methods fixed your problem. If the video helped you, don't forget to leave a like guys. You can also subscribe me and support me guys. Thank you.